Main thing I don't understand, okay? Top of the pops, cream of the crop, all time number one. I don't understand it, but I'm like a dog in the bucket, sometimes literally, right? The thing I don't understand is sex. Thanks very much. No surprises there, right? You know, you could see it coming a mile off, couldn't you? That's exactly what she said. Oh, Jesus, I can see that coming up. All right, please yourselves. Sex is bizarre. Sex doesn't make any sense. Sex is absolutely impossible when your cat is staring at you. Get in there, you fuck! Does anybody in this room have the first idea what they're supposed to be doing when they're having sex? I feel like my mum's let me drive the car before I passed my test. Right, Chris, now, turn her on. Depress that clutch gently. Slide her gently into gear. Indicate your intentions to the other road users, and then slowly lift that clutch. No, too fast, love, too fast. No, kangaroo, no, break. Tantric sex, group sex, swapping, dogging, bondage, S&M, B&Q, vibrators, dildos, KY, anal, frottage, felching, coprophilia, water sports. The first time my girlfriend suggested we try water sports, I thought she meant polo. And I've never understood how the horses don't drown. Pin our eyes back and make us look at nothing but pictures of bare breasts. Big ones, little ones, ones with hairy nipples, ones with innies, ones with outies, ones with enormous nipples, ones with nipples so small you couldn't find them with a nippleometer, ones you could hold a pencil under, ones you could hold bathing stoke under, breast. Inner city violence isn't caused by alcohol. It's caused by breasts! Keep looking at her eyes. Don't look down. That's it, she's got lovely eyes. Just keep looking at her eyes. She's got lovely eyes. Don't look down. No, don't look down. Don't look down. Look down. Come on. You know you want to. No, I don't. I don't want to look down. She'll catch me looking. She'll think I'm a pervert. But she wants you to look. Don't be ridiculous. Of course she doesn't want me to look. Of course she wants you to look. You don't put something in the shop window unless you want somebody to buy it, do you? You sure about this? Of course I'm fucking sure. Now she wants you to look. Now fucking look at them. All right. I'll just have a quick look. Oh God, they're lovely actually. I think I can almost see a nipple. Oi! Are you looking at my tits? Well, yeah. Look, I don't need to look at porn. I've got you. He's lying. Of course he's fucking lying. Of course he looks at porn. We all look at porn. We got no fucking choice. It's everywhere. Magazines, DVDs, videos, the internet. The main thing I don't understand about internet porn is that people look at it at work. What are you doing? It's free. It's not free because it costs you your job. I mean, you don't sit at your desk having one off the wrist, do you? Do you? Yeah, Keith, I'll get that report to you in a couple of minutes, mate, alright? Okay. Oh, go on. Yeah. Where did the funny come from? Where? Ha!